Show me that Illuma wallet. Show me what you're doing.
Smash.
You smashing it? What were you doing before? Jump on it.
Okay.
Look at that. It's still good.
Hey, let me
Oh,
try.
Angel, sit on it.
What, JP's? Hey, let me try.
All right, JP's.
They coordinate.
All right, JP's turn. Let JP try, Nobi.
Oh, you can't break it, can you? Because it's an Illuma wallet.
I'm gonna sit on it.
I ain't checking it. I'll get a really hard thing and slam it on it.
Oh.
And see if it can break this time.
Nobi, what are you gonna show us? Hold on, show us.
Go on, show.
Okay.
Let Nobi try. It's not breaking.
I know.
That Illuma wallet is amazing.
He knows.
Oh, JP's gonna bring the truck over.
Maybe.
Put it on here. Okay. Now this should hurt it. No. Now just slam it on there.
Is the Illuma wallet still good?
Yes.
Let me see.
Yes. Yes.
Look at that. Nothing. Nothing hurts the Illuma wallet.